Hi guys, hey, welcome back to my channel, Amathas. I am going to do my first unboxing today. I just got my fabfitfun box in the mail and I'm so excited to open it, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside, okay? I just got it. It's a new subscription. I got like a free trial or something like that. But I'm going to show you guys what's inside, okay? Okay. So this is the box it comes in. It's like flowers and stuff. And so, okay. So this is it. It's spring of 2019. Fabfitfun. And I got a magazine. And HelloFresh, which I've tried this before and it's pretty good. I might try it again. What else? Oh, this is cute. Fabfitfun. And it looks like this is a jump rope. Oh, that's cool. I'm not sure what this is. It says, show me your moo-moo. Right, is that like a dress or something? It's a robe. This is Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Aromatic body lotion, mandarin orange and bergamot. Oh, this is the Two Bandits, designed with love in San Francisco, California. It's jewelry. It looks like it's a necklace. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is leave-in conditioner, the OUAI hair care brand. This is Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Oh my gosh, I really need this bad. Look at my eyes, guys. Lots of puffiness underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna try this out and then we'll see if it makes a difference later, okay? And this is, what is this? Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub Exfoliant. Champagne Charcoal Scrub, gentle body scrub, remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. What does it look like? Oh, it looks like... Ugh. Look at what it looks like on the inside. Oh, oops. Well, it smells really good. It looks gross, but it smells really good, you guys. It's like squishy, but it smells so good. It smells so good. I can't wait to use it. Okay, let me put the cap back on for now. And I think that's all. So I got a jump rope. I got the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial stuff. No More Baggage, Dr. Brandt. I cannot wait to try this one. Cute little necklace. Body lotion. This is a robe and some scrub. So So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things and a magazine. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm so excited to try this stuff, and when I try it, I'll try them one by one and I'll show you how it is working for me. And again, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, comment below, and hit the little bell so you can get all the notifications every time I upload a new video. Okay, so that's what I got in my FabFitFun box for today. I'll try it out and I'll show you guys in another video how it works. All the stuff I got, I want to try the depuffing eye stuff, see what happens. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and hit the little bell, the notification bell, so that way you know every time I upload a video. I'm always doing different stuff, whether it's fixing up my house or cleaning something or opening up a box like this or putting on makeup. I'm always doing something. But anyways, thanks for watching, you guys.